Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're back in the Sequatchie Valley to see what we can find in Chattanooga and along a short portion of the Chattanooga sub. Our first train, M584. He had just finished his work here at Sequatchie Yard and was pulling out as we got there. Not even 15 minutes had passed and we had a meet between NS733 and NS178. 733 is an as-needed coal drag from Juliet, Georgia to Memphis, Tennessee, and often runs with BNSF run-through power. .178 is an Irondale, Alabama to Bellevue, Ohio manifest. Moving on over to Coffey's Cliff, we have C306. 306 is an as-needed coal from Evansville, Indiana to Stillsboro, Georgia. Next, we have a solo SD40-2 as the power for a yard job. Up next is NS288. 288 is an intermodal that runs from Rossville, Tennessee to Rutherford, Pennsylvania. Next on the CSX is I-155. 155 is a daily intermodal from Fairburn, Georgia to Memphis, Tennessee. And we also would see him later on. We bid a big farewell to Coffey's Cliff, and we went to see the deadline tracks. There were a lot of Dash 9s and NS 1800 DC to AC SD70ACC sitting in the fueling tracks waiting for their next assignment. We move on over to Bridgeport, Alabama, and we have M585, the southbound counterpart to M584. As he was passing, we took time to take a look at the depot. One day, we'll come back to this area and we'll tell you guys about the history behind it. Our last and final train for this trip was I-155, rolling northbound through Stevenson, Alabama. The Chattanooga sub was on a curfew, so there wasn't a lot running. Well, everyone, that's all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, we'll talk to you again soon.